Hey everybody, how's it going? It is Mike from Mike's Garage, and today I have another good one for you. But before we jump into it, I want to let you guys know to follow me on Instagram at FireTruckMechanic. As well as while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to get all the notifications for the channel, upcoming videos, different things that we have going on. So while you're here, don't forget to do those things. We're going to jump right into it. Today I'm going to be bringing you the 5 tips to being an elite mechanic. I'm talking about the best of the best, being the best, whether it be in your shop, in your region, what have you, being one of the best mechanics you could possibly be. My number one tip is learning from your mistakes. You have to learn from your mistakes as a young man or woman starting off in this field, building your way up. Being an elite mechanic doesn't happen your first day in the shop. It doesn't happen your second or third. It happens years down the line. You have to gain the knowledge. You have to do the work and make the mistakes and learn from those mistakes. When you're learning from those mistakes, you're going to be gaining all this knowledge. That's what it's about. That's how you're going to be an elite mechanic. I'm letting you know, I started off 2012. I made a lot of mistakes. I'm not saying I'm an elite mechanic, but I'm a very good mechanic. And I think what got me to that is my mistakes I made early on and learning from them. Taking the time and realize this is what I did, this is what I have to do to correct that so it doesn't happen again, and keeping that in the memory bank so it does not happen again. Number 2, being organized. That is such a big thing. I preach it all the time to new guys at the shop, people I've worked with, on my Instagram, on my YouTube. Being organized is the biggest thing. You'll never see me posting it Instagram or anything where I'm disorganized. Being organized is going to save you the time for not running around looking for tools or running around looking for nuts or bolts. You'll always know where everything is. That's going to save you so much time, and it's just going to make you better as a whole. Being organized, I've always felt as a mechanic, is very important. Now you'll see guys who are very good mechanics who they have the messiest carts you've ever seen, or they have the messiest toolboxes you have ever seen. I've never really liked that. When you go to them, you ask them for something, or you might need something, or they borrow something from you and you never see it again. There's a reason why, okay? Being organized to me is definitely a big part of being an elite mechanic. Number 3 is look for a way to beat the flat rate time. All elite mechanics are very good at being quick and being prompt. Being able to do things quicker than most and better than most. If you find out a way to beat flat rate time and keep working at it and working at it and working at it, listen, Rome was not built in a day, honestly. So it takes time to find out your little niches or whatever it takes for you to beat that time and better yourself. Being able to beat flat rate time is a good way to establish yourself and let people know, look, I mean, I'm here to work, I'm here to get things done, I'm good at what I do. When I say beat flat rate time, it does not mean be a hack, cut everything up, put it all back together and send it out. That's not what we're here for. We're here to take pride in our work and do what we love to do by taking time, figuring things out. You know, if you take time the first time you do something, the next time you'll be quicker, the next time you'll be quicker, and so on and so forth. You will continue to better yourself. So taking your time to figure out how to beat flat rate is definitely a way to be an elite mechanic. Number 4, working on multiple cars at one time. This is definitely something that can help you in the future. If you're able to work on multiple cars, that's how we make money as our flat rate hours, as most mechanics. But if you're able to work on more than one car at one time, you're able to diagnose a little more. You're able to touch more pieces of equipment, thus giving you more experience. Working on more than one car means maybe you have 2 stalls, maybe you have a stall and an outside bay. Different things like that. You're able to put your hands on more pieces of equipment. I definitely feel if you're able to work on more than one car at a time, it can definitely help you out for the future. And remember, like I said earlier, Rome was not built in a day. You're not going to start off working on more than one car. So take your time when you're first starting off to lay the groundwork to be an elite mechanic. And maybe you're doing a car and you're waiting on some parts, you go help a buddy out. Say, hey, I got a few minutes, going to help you out real quick. You'll get into that rhythm sooner or later to help you out to work on more than one car at a time. Now, number 5, you have heard me say this time and time again, study, study, study. When I get home, I study at least an hour a night. I'm always reading a book, I'm watching a documentary on something, I'm learning something new. I'm trying to keep up with the trade. The automotive field is something that is ever changing. Always something new. We're coming out with autonomous driving vehicles, trucks, different things like that. A lot of automotive, we're moving out of engines. or a lot of electrical. We're moving out of gas-powered engines. So take your time. If you're bad at electrical, you need to learn now before you take time, and then it just gets dropped on your plate in the future. Take your time, study, read books, do what you have to do, get Delmar, get Motor Age, do YouTube videos of ASE study guides, things like that. Take your time to read and study in different fields that you're not good in. That's definitely going to make you an elite tech. That is it for me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you feel that you're an elite tech, please leave a comment in the comment section. Look, I never said I am the best of the best, but I am a good mechanic, and it's taken a long time to get where I am. I've been in this field since 2012, so over 8 years, and now I'm working on fire trucks and different things like that. So before we end the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to get all the notifications for the channel, as well as follow me on Instagram at Fire Truck Mechanic. And like I said, leave a comment. Let me know what you think it takes to be an elite mechanic. As always, guys, we'll catch y'all on the next one.